everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country style home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage country style home decor is a warm, nostalgic and charming interior design style that blends elements of vintage, usually from the early to mid 20th century, with a casual, cozy and rustic feel of country living. It often draws inspiration from farmhouses, cottages, and rural homes, creating a space that feels lived in, personal, and timeless. Key characteristics: the stays and ornate finishes, furniture and decor often feature tipped paint, natural wood grain, or whitewashed finishes to give a sense of age and character. Antique or vintage furnishings include ceramic pieces, flower market finds, or reproductions of old furniture like commodes, hutches, or cloth tables. Use soft-muted color palettes, earthy tones, pastels, whites, creams, and faded hues like chess green, dusty rose, or robin's egg blue. Use natural materials, wood, linen, cotton, burlap, and wicker are common. These materials give a handmade and organic touch. Use floral and checks. Fabrics often feature delicate floral prints, gingham, stripes, or tall patterns that evoke a country charm. Use vintage accessories includes old clocks, enamel messengers, or baskets with that sign and iron hardware. Also use rustic elements like barn doors, exposed beams, shiplap walls, and farmhouse fence. Add to the countryside feel. Personal and eclectic touches, mix and match styles are welcome. Items often tell a story or hold sentimental value. Overall feel: vintage country style decor feels warm, welcoming, and nostalgic, like stepping into a home with history and heart. Key decorating principles: mix old and new. Combine antique or vintage finds with modern comforts. Example: a vintage samory paired with a new neutral toned sofa. Embrace imperfections. Use chipped paint, rusted metal, or old fabric is not a flaw. It adds character. Use layered textures. Mix oat, wicker, metal, lace, linen, and wool to create depth. Display: don't hide. Open shelving and wall-mounted racks to show off your ceramics, linens, or kitchenware. Sentiment over perfection: decorate with pieces that tell a story, such as your grandmother's quilt or old postcards. Room by room style ideas. First, living room. Use furniture like soft, cozy sofas with floral or ticking striped slipcovers. Decor, mix and match vintage frames, baskets, and botanical prints. Fireplace mantles, decorate with antique clocks, candles, and vases of giant flowers. Late's dining room, use firm tables, big wooden tables, often distressed or whitewashed. Setting, mismatched vintage chairs or bench setting. Table setting, use floral plates, linen napkins, and passenger glasses. Laundry or mudroom, vintage washboards, galvanized buckets, and hanging drying racks. Also use old wooden cloths for storing laundry. How to achieve the look on a budget. Tip the stores and flower markets. Hunt for hidden gems like baskets, linens, old sign, or chairs. DIY distressing. Turn modern furniture into vintage by sanding, painting, or adding patina. Print tables. Download free vintage art or botanical prints and use thrifted frames. Repurpose. Turn an old ladder into a blanket rack or a shutter into a wall organizer. Final touches to make it yours. Add fresh flowers or dried herbs in pitchers or jars. Use scented candles like lavender, vanilla, or linen for atmosphere. Hang lace or floral curtains to soften the light. Play soft folk, classical, or instrumental music to enhance the ambience. Emotional and lifestyle appeal. Vintage country style is not just a look, it is a feeling. This decor style evokes nostalgia, reminds people of childhood, grandparents' home, or simpler times. Comfort and warmth. Use soft textures, familiar patterns, and soothing colors help create a calming space. Solo living emphasizes the beauty of everyday rituals like brewing tea, folding laundry, or baking bread. Sustainability focuses on repurposing and reusing instead of buying new. Seasonal styling tips. Spring or summer, use fresh flowers in old intimate pictures, wildflowers, daisies, or lavender. Lighter textiles like cotton or linen in pastels or floral prints. Use vintage garden tools or watering cans used decoratively. Autumn or winter, add cozy layers, old throws, plaid cushions, crocheted blankets. Use warm-tone vintage accents like amber glass, copper cookware, or antique books. Decorate with Pioneer's dried oranges, vintage lanterns, and candles. Architectural and structural features. While you can add vintage country decor to any home, here are features that elevate the look. Exposed wooden beams, raw or whitewashed. Butler's pantry or open shelves for displaying dishes and glassware. Use shiplap or bedboard walls, painted in soft white or muted hues. Use barn doors or sliding panels, often repurposed or distressed. Fireplace with a rustic mantel, stone or reclaimed wood is ideal. Advanced styling tips: group decor items in threes, like candlesticks or jugs for visual balance. Mix metal finishes like bronze or the iron, but nickel for depth. Layer rugs. Try two jugs under a faded floral or Persian style rugs. Don't overcrowd. Negative space is just as important in making decor feel crowded rather than cluttered. Go vertical. Use wall-mounted racks, shelves, and ladders to show off vintage items. Signature decor themes and motifs. Vintage country decor is filled with symbolic details that make the style recognizable and charming. Common motifs: botanicals like roses, lavender, herbs, and wildflowers, especially in faded prints or embroidery. Hearts, stars, and chicks found in folk art or textiles. Text-based style: think of wooden plugs with gather, welcome, or hand-painted quotes. Patchwork and quilting evoke craftsmanship and comfort. Materials you will see often. These are the bones of vintage country style, the materials that make everything feel real, hand touches, and is owned. Reclaimed wood, beams, shelves, baseboards, and flooring. Galvanized metal, buckets, tubs, wall beams, or lighting fixtures. Iron or earth iron. Use candle holders, bed frames, curtain jars, ceramic and porcelain, especially in kitchen items like pitchers, plates, and knobs. Glassware, vintage bottles, mason jars, epoxy jars. Lighting in vintage country decor. Lighting in this style plays a big role in mood setting and highlighting pictures. Use table lamps, ceramic vases with linen or floral shades, candelabras, or the iron, sometimes with crystals, especially in French country. Wall sconces, soft gold, whitewashed, or rust finish. Candlelight, use vintage candelabras, lanterns, or pillar candles. Store the vintage way. Functional but beautiful storage options like a hallmark of vintage country homes. Oven baskets used for blankets, magazines, or pantry items. Old suitcases, stacks of decoration or storage near entryways. Memories and distress. Vintage portions often have unique carvings or knobs. Open shelving, a place to display dishes, collectibles, or cookware. Art and wall decor ideas. The walls are where personality shines. Here are ideas specific to vintage country: botanical prints, pressed flowers, or watercolor style florals. Print needlepoint or cross stitch, especially with saying or home motifs. Old farm tools mounted for a rustic industrial flair, mirrors with ornate or distressed frames, gallery wall of antique frames mix photos, postcards, and pressed flowers. Modern touches that still fit the style. You can modernize vintage country style without ruining the warmth. Add a neutral jug with simple texture instead of busy prints. Use LED candles or smart lighting that mimics warm candlelight. Install modern farmhouse synth or appliances with retro designs. clean glance furniture in natural wood or white to contrast ornate vintage pieces. Tips for staying balanced: avoid clutter. Because vintage country decor embraces collections and antiques, it can quickly look crowded. Here is how to keep it fresh. Group items by theme or color. All blue and white ceramics together. Use large pieces like an old memory to anchor the space and reduce visual noise. Rotate seasonal decor instead of displaying everything at once. Leave some breathing room. Empty space is part of good design. Design philosophy. At its heart, vintage country style is about honoring the past while creating comfort in the present. Celebrating imperfection, each scratch, dent, or own edge tells a story, making a house a home, not a snow room. Lifestyle integration. Vintage country decor can influence how you live, not just how your home looks. Cooking, baking from scratch, displaying kitchen tools using enamelware. Gardening, growing herbs or wildflowers, and using vintage watering cans. Entertaining, hosting tea with mismatched china and linen tablecloths. Wellness, embracing beach softness and a slower home rhythm. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.